share this video because not very, very important. Even at the National Assembly, the Senate, well, the new cyber crime law are enacted. Now, if you are a lover and the follower of Mathias, if you are a lover and the follower of EZEAKU, if you are a lover and the follower of EJK Moment of Truth, if you are a lover and the follower of Mazidibia, if you are a lover and follower of Ihe, the Light of Africa, if you are a lover and follower of this my Onyamoma Renji, I want you to draw their attention to number 7 on that cyber crime law, which says or states that inciting ethnic stroke religious hatred, section 24, making statement that provoke ethnic, tribal, or religious violence is punishable by life imprisonment. This, however, now this is important for group and page admins. If you manage a WhatsApp group, Facebook page, Telegram channel, or any online community, you can be held responsible for what members post. If you knowingly allow illegal content or fail to moderate the law, or fail to moderate, the law will hold you accountable. I repeat, if you are a lover of all these people mentioned their names, I want you to draw their attention, most especially to number 7, now that cybercrime law, which states that inciting ethnic stroke religious hatred, which is section 24, making statement that provoke ethnic, tribal, or religious violence is punishable by life imprisonment. Reason pattern you mention this kind of people owner every morning, every night, every afternoon. EZEAKU pastor this, pastor that, pastor this, pastor that. Then waja ndi Igbo this, ndi Igbo that. Pastors and church this, pastor that, bordering on ethnic and the religion. EZEAKU mostly bordering on religion. Mathias bordering on religion. Mazidibia championing his own on ethnicity. You gotta go. Then here the Light of Africa in Kenya religious provocation. So all these people, the Onyamoma Renji, religion, call attention of all these people. One of her, Namo Gwalahanuge Belukona Nambawu, all life imprisonment. Reason EZEAKU no life imprisonment. Imagine that time Mathias made that video. No one actually for her. No one actually for her. Simbonde pastor Buefa. Agwamon no namaho. Jenu go ifemelu. That film atre. Afafima wo Hotel Rwanda. It was a single radio broadcast with a spark logo, more than millions of people. Now that singular Facebook post video Mathias email, imagine no say no ha ko rialo no ha accident ko nwere no na egbe ka eji we gbawe ma no nwere ife emerie o we nwo n'ike sijide ndị pastor onye gbuolu se mu ibe ya ọkụ and all that. Imagine no onye owu Paul o we unu nwere ebe a na-ezu ohi e we gba stre mgbo etu o si we to the life of this guy na art film mgbo gburu n'Ọnịcha. Ịghọtago o wetwe o we nwụọ ndị otu ya pụọ gbuwe mmadụ ma ọ na Paul ndị ntọtọrọ ya formato ya fish magnet kere onye gburu ya Dr. Dick Chika konyere kele onye gburu ya. Ịghọtago nwanne Mathias ka onye toje. I'm giving you examples of what may likely happen or spark ya out if an akpọ religious ogo. Now no na aghọta na religion ọbụma religious and the ethnic ogo na wipe people out more than any other ogo. Jene nebo na anọrọ ogo tribes and the religion. if only boo papa the yoli, because these two things wonya make up the two components of our society. Onya patalo age wait your life imprisonment because ni ye lie a chance of people chapundum the mad. Banana woni onayano. Ana woni onayano. If I work an anticandoron, o tenanti belumbua. But thank God the National Assembly has deemed it fit to come and handle this particular matter. But one of them this hatred they have sparky against a group of people. No more cause. Imagine no one make utterances with Sorudo na Chelo Flyover Bridge Gaffel or Luke Kulobia. Or Wesso na because na naturally we Luke Kulobia ka Flyover Bridge we gane. When you mote wejebe ba wegwa na nwa ko gbam no Luke Kulobia. Osi unu katen ko ogu na eswe. Unu katen eswe. Imagine no kusha that thing. Akutu Luke Kulobia. Some criminal minded people weje will opportunity weje rake we have work no. What is he going to say? That is why you do very careful when you are saying anything bordering on religion and the ethnicity, because you are handling something too emotional to people, and when people are emotional they can do anything. Banana agonia onayan unewoloko negwegu unewoloko negwegu unewolife jabanante. Share this video, call the attention of these people, tell them to be careful, because now God is putting everything, making everything to be falling in places. You gotta go to be falling in places. Ana me buamo manina, ne buamo manina, ne buamo manina, ne buamo manina. Now jelu po ndengwa dibia nina say na hana ato mmado na aruse. Jelu gwa ha na mosu kwa hanu geberuna na mgbawuo. Ako nwere ife ya nwere ike ịgwa and ngwa gị ya aghọta. Share this video.